Hey, welcome to my emergency income kit review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful system that lets you start making money online starting today without any experience, special skills, or upfront investment. And here's the best part. You don't need a website, social media following, or even a product of your own. Just follow the simple steps inside this kit, and you'll be making money in no time. Stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades OTOs so you'll know exactly what's inside before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've been doing affiliate marketing for 6 years, testing and reviewing online income strategies. If you want to discover real ways to make money online, hit that like button, subscribe and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Plus, I've put together some exclusive bonuses just for you. Check the link below before they're gone. So what exactly is the Emergency Income Kit? It's a collection of 28 fast, easy, and unusual ways to make money online, even if you never made a single dollar online before. These methods require no technical skills, no investment, and no business setup. They work for anyone, anywhere. All you need is an internet connection. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. These are real methods that pay real money. Some methods can bring in instant cash, while others can help you build a steady online income. Standout features that caught my eye. Here's what makes the Emergency Income Kit stand out. Instant cash methods. Get paid for simple tasks you already do. No experience required. Perfect for beginners. Just follow the step-by-step directions. Multiple ways to earn. Choose what works best for you and start making money today. No selling, no website, no social media needed. Just do the tasks and get paid. How it works? Super simple. 1. Pick a method from the 28 money-making strategies. 2. Follow the simple step-by-step instructions. 3. Start earning money. Some methods pay on the same day. Upgrades OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main product, you'll see some upgrade options. Here's a quick rundown to help you decide if they're worth it. OTO 1. 10x profits. 97/67. Boost your earnings by 10x by accessing premium companies that pay much higher rates for the same tasks. Why earn $5 per task when you could be making $50 plus? If you're serious about making money, this upgrade is a must. OTO 2. EIKAI Coach, $97, $67. Stuck? Confused? This AI coach helps you every step of the way. It learns your strengths and weaknesses and gives personalized advice to maximize your earnings. OTO 3. Personal mentoring, $97, $67. Get live coaching calls with Tom E., a multi-millionaire marketer who has helped thousands succeed. Bonus includes 3 of Tom's self-help courses worth $300 plus to boost your money-making mindset. OTO 4. Resell rights, $47/$27. Want to make even more money? With this upgrade, you can resell the Emergency Income Kit and keep 100% of the profits. You don't have to create anything. They handle all the support and product delivery. Just sell and get paid. Pick the upgrades that fit your needs and skip the rest. What I love about the Emergency Income Kit. Perfect for beginners. No tech skills needed. Multiple ways to make money. Choose what works best for you. Low cost entry. Only $9.97 to start making money today. Money back guarantee. Try it risk-free for 30 days. What could be better? You won't get rich overnight. While these methods work, they're not a magic button. You still need to take action. The FE methods pay less compared to the 10x profits upgrade. If you want higher earnings, consider getting OTO 1. Final verdict, should you get it? So is the Emergency Income Kit worth it? Absolutely. For just $9.97, you're getting access to 28 proven ways to make money online. No experience needed. No big investment, just simple steps that can put money in your pocket fast. And it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you need extra income or just want to try new ways to make money online, this is a solid investment. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What method are you most excited to try? And if you have any questions, just ask. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside, where the money is waiting for you.